What's up, y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. So today I'm going to be showing you how I detangle my natural hair. Like most, if not all y'all out there, detangling is the absolute worst part of my wash day routine. Lord knows I'm grateful for the hair that I got. This is my crown and glory, but detangling at times is a whole struggle. It's not nearly as bad as it used to be back in my early natural days, because back then I was a little bit more selective about the products that I was using. But these days, silicones are life and they give me a lot of slips. So yeah, got to show y'all my detangling process. Normally I go in with conditioner and detangle my hair prior to shampooing, but on a day like today when I don't feel like doing that, I'm just going to detangle my hair as I'm applying my deep conditioner. So I'm about to go in here and shampoo my hair first, but while I'm doing that, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and tap the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, so I just finished shampooing my hair and I also did the rice water rinse, so I am keeping up with that. I have my little deep conditioner concoction right here ready to go, and I'm ready to get started. I do want to time myself to see how long this takes, so it is currently 3:06 and let's get started. and it is now 3:16, so it took me what, 10 minutes. I'm about to go in here and put my hot head on for about 30 to 45 more minutes. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed my little detangling routine process or whatever. Leave any questions that you have below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.